foremost advanced attack helicopters, Eurocopter Tiger is presently in commission with the Deutschland and France's air forces. It's a four-bladed, twin-engined, medium-weight attack chopper that initially entered service in 2003. It has a 30 metric linear unit cannon and carries 8 hot, a pair of POT-3 or Trigat, a pair of anti-tank missiles, 4 Stinger, a pair of or Northwind short-range air-to-air missile, 68 x 68 mm rockets and podded 12.7 mm guns. The Russian unrestricted, day-night, two-seat anti-armor, Mi-28 Mayhem is one in every of the foremost advanced heavily armored attack helicopters. It's a fervent attack eggbeater with no supposed secondary transport capability. It's in commission with the Russian Army since 2006. With most speed of 320 km per hour, Mi-28 Mayhem encompasses a 30 mm cannon and carries 9M114 term C, 9M120, 9M121 Havoc or 9A2200 anti-tank radio-controlled missiles. The newer, improved, two-seat version of the Ka-50 is one amongst the quickest and most advanced attack helicopters within the world. Cab of Ka-52 could be a multi-role, unbelievably sturdy, unrestricted attack whirlybird. One amongst the foremost mobile, next-generation attack helicopters, capable operative in daytime and at nighttime. The Ka-52 uses a 30 mm cannon, 460 rounds, 12 big and 9 spiral anti-tank missiles or 4 IGL AV air-to-air missiles, and might carry quite few unguided rockets and IGLA air-to-air missiles. The world's most advanced attack helicopter, Bell AH-1Z, is a modern version, the AH-1 Cobra. Bell AH-1Z fights with the most advanced aircraft weapons and survivability equipment in the world. It is the only attack helicopter with a fully integrated air-to-air missile capability. The Bell AH-1Z Viper has a 20 mm with 750 rounds, 3-barrel cannon and carries AGM-1148B C anti-tank missiles, AGM-114F anti-ship missiles, AIM-9 air-to-air missiles, pods with 70 mm unoperated rockets, free-fall bombs. As way as best attack helicopters go, the Yank 4-blade, twin-turbo shaft with a tail-wheel type undercarriage arrangement and a bicycle cockpit for a 2-man crew, Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian is the most advanced ever designed. With a most speed of 300 km per hour, AH-64E Apache Guardian includes a 30 mm cannon and carries 16 AGM-114OL Perdition, 2 anti-tank missiles, 4 AIM-92 Stinger or 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, 2 AGM-122 throw anti-radiation missiles and 19-shot Hydra 70 rocket pod.